Welcome to an immersive exploration of virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR), where the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds blur, inviting us to embark on extraordinary adventures and unlock new realms of possibility. Join us as we delve into the transformative power of VR and AR, reshaping industries, redefining experiences, and revolutionizing the way we perceive and interact with reality. The rise of virtual reality. Our journey commences with the rise of virtual reality (VR), a technological marvel that transports us to fantastical realms and immersive experiences beyond our wildest imagination. From gaming to education, healthcare to entertainment, VR revolutionizes how we engage with content and each other. In the realm of gaming, VR transcends the confines of traditional screens, plunging players into fully realized three-dimensional environments where they can wield virtual weapons, solve puzzles, and embark on epic quests with unprecedented levels of immersion and interactivity. Moreover, VR extends its reach into education, offering students immersive learning experiences that transcend the limitations of textbooks and lectures. From exploring ancient civilizations to dissecting virtual organisms, VR empowers learners to engage with subjects in ways previously unimaginable. Furthermore, VR revolutionizes healthcare by providing innovative solutions for training medical professionals, treating phobias and PTSD, and even managing chronic pain. Through VR simulations and therapies, patients can confront their fears, undergo virtual surgeries, and experience pain relief in immersive virtual environments. The evolution of augmented reality. As we transition to augmented reality (AR), we enter a realm where digital overlays enrich our perception of the physical world, seamlessly blending real and virtual elements to create immersive experiences that enhance our daily lives. In the realm of entertainment, AR transforms the way we experience storytelling and interactive media, overlaying digital characters and interactive elements onto our surroundings. From AR-enhanced museum exhibits to location-based AR games, the possibilities for entertainment are boundless. Moreover, AR empowers businesses to enhance customer engagement and drive sales through interactive shopping experiences, virtual try-on features, and immersive product demonstrations. By overlaying digital information onto physical products and environments, AR bridges the gap between online and offline shopping. Furthermore, AR revolutionizes industries such as manufacturing, architecture, and engineering by providing real-time visualizations, digital overlays, and hands-free access to critical information. From remote assistance to augmented assembly instructions, AR improves efficiency, accuracy, and safety in the workplace. The future of mixed reality. As VR and AR technologies continue to advance, we witness the emergence of mixed reality (MR), a convergence of virtual and augmented experiences that blur the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds even further. In the realm of social interaction, MR enables us to connect with others in shared virtual spaces, where we can collaborate, explore, and create together regardless of physical distance. From virtual meetings to immersive social experiences, Mr. redefines how we communicate and connect with one another. Moreover, MR revolutionizes the way we design and visualize products, environments, and experiences, allowing designers and creators to prototype, iterate, and refine their ideas in immersive virtual environments. From architectural walkthroughs to product simulations, MR enhances creativity and innovation across industries. Furthermore, MR holds the promise of transformative applications in fields such as healthcare, education, and remote work, where immersive experiences and hands-free interactions enable new possibilities for learning, training, and collaboration. As we conclude our journey through the realms of virtual reality and augmented reality, one truth becomes abundantly clear: the future is a canvas of endless possibilities, waiting to be shaped by our imagination and ingenuity. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more profound insights and updates on the latest advancements in immersive technologies.